Hello, this is Charlene. We are going to determine if these two lines are parallel, perpendicular, or neither given their equations. So let's look at the equations. We have y is equal to negative 1/3 x plus 2. We also have y equals 1/3 x. Again, we need to recognize that these are in the y equals mx plus b format. That is called the slope-intercept form. We like this form because any number that is in this position where the m is will be the slope of that line. So we're going to look at the negative 1/3, which is in the m position. That means the slope of that line is negative 1/3. And then we're also going to look at the slope of the second line. It's 1/3. It's the m position in front of the variable x. So the slope of the second line is 1/3. So now we're going to ask ourselves, are these slopes the same? Well, negative 1/3 is not equal to 1/3. Those are two different numbers. One is negative, one is positive. They do not represent the same number. So therefore, this is not the same slope. So therefore, these two lines are not parallel. So now we're going to look at the next question that we can ask ourselves. Are these two slopes negative reciprocals of each other? Well, we need to understand what a negative reciprocal is. If I have the number or the fraction 3/4, well, the negative of that is going to be a negative number, and the reciprocal of that is 4/3. It's basically going to flip upside down. So we're going to look and say, does this number, is it the opposite sign? Is it the negative? And yes, it is the opposite sign. This is a negative, and this has an invisible positive in front of it. So it does meet the requirement of being the negative of the first number. However, does it meet the requirement of being the reciprocal? Is 1/3 the reciprocal of 1/3? No, it is not the reciprocal. So therefore, it is not perpendicular. So our last question says, is it neither? Well, the question is that if it's not the same and it's not the negative reciprocal, then yes, it is neither parallel nor perpendicular. So the answer to this is that these two lines are neither parallel nor perpendicular. So our answer for this question would be neither. So hopefully that helps you think through the process. Click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, and come back and see us real soon. Thank you.